Today, this is Attila Kovács from GTC News Daily Trade with the facts in 2018, January the 31st. The big day is fast approaching for Amazon. On February the 1st, after the market closed, the company will release the results of what is expected to be a monster holiday quarter, another one in the series following an outstanding third quarter in 2017. Revenue expectations of $59.8 billion have remained largely unchanged for the past 90 days. As always, when facts will be revealed, you'll be the first to know. Pushing towards the launch of a public robot taxi fleet later this year, Waymo has finalized an order for thousands of self-driving Chrysler Pacifica hybrid minivans. Facts show that Waymo has already moved from research and development to operations and deployment. Although we do not have an exact number, the company's order will be fewer than 10,000 vehicles. Boeing Horizon X Ventures has taken a minority stake in startup Cuba, which is seeking to develop next-generation battery technology for potential aerospace and industrial applications. These days, battery technology is still not fully developed, which means it is not possible to make them for a plane of current commercial aircraft size, but according to Cuba, the next generation will be able to handle this task. German car makers, including Volkswagen, Daimler Mercedes and BMW, are under tremendous pressure after reports came out that they helped finance experiments that put humans and monkeys exposed to diesel fumes. The German government has called a special meeting with the affected car companies to ask them to explain themselves. No doubt, this is once again damaged trust in the auto industry. Exxon Mobil plans to invest more than $50 billion in the United States over the next 5 years, citing the recent tax law changes and the unique strengths of the company. Exxon will be investing billions of dollars to increase oil production in West Texas and New Mexico, on top of its massive build-out of operations along the Gulf Coast. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission has fined Deutsche Bank, UBS and HSBC nearly $47 million to settle spoofing charges, while the Department of Justice charged 8 individuals for deceptive trading, calling it the largest future market criminal enforcement action in its history. Spoofing is rapidly placing orders with intent to cancel them before they trade in order to trick other investors by creating an illusion of demand. SAP has revealed its biggest acquisition in more than 3 years, buying up Calaboose software for an enterprise value of $2.4 billion. It comes as the company reported earnings generating sales of 6.8 billion euros in the last quarter. SAP's new cloud bookings, a newly watched metric for future sales growth, grew 31% at constant currencies. Britain's 5-decade dominance of wing construction for Airbus jets is under threat thanks to the Brexit. The plane maker has been approached by several governments looking to plan their future wing production, including France, Germany and Spain from the EU, as well as the United States and China, where the company already has assembly lines, and even Mexico and South Korea is in line. The British government provides financial support for Airbus wing development, and the biggest issue is that the UK is home to 15,000 of the company's workers. Today's daily peak has the Deutsche Post for you, which is set to announce 0.75 euros EPS. Despite the Duke Energy is a hold by most of the analysts, we believe that it's gonna rock, so pay attention to it. The Electronic Arts gave earnings report yesterday. After the market closed, it was an amazing number, but be careful, it could be too much too fast. The first solar report soon. It went into a free fall, so you should buy that dip. With the JP Morgan, Amazon and Berkshire Hathaway healthcare plan, the pharma sector is in trouble, including the Amgen. Keep an eye on the whole sector if you are a short trader. As we mentioned early this week, take care of your trades. The market is still trying to figure out where to go. NFP is up on Friday. Lots of positioning will come until then. The euro dollar tried to rally, but after turning around formed a shooting star. The pair has a lot of selling pressure. It could go to the 1.22 level, where it has plenty of support. If we give it enough time, we will see higher areas, but we need to clear first the 1.25 level. The GBP USD has rallied nicely yesterday. Right now we are at, let's say, the psychological 1.40 level. The pair is still reaching towards the 1.43, then the 1.45. The USD JPY has moved up and down, forming a hammer. As of now, we will continue going sideways mostly. If the pair breaks above 110, we can go higher to 114, but remember, this pair moves with the stock market. Don't forget, our services are going to be available soon only for our subscribers. Subscribe now via our website. This was Attila Kovács from GTC News Daily Trade with the facts in 2018, January the 31st.